Don't rush to throw away watermelon rinds. You might be tossing out a treasure hiding right in your kitchen. Hello! It's so nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Watermelon is one of the most beloved fruits, but most people throw away the rind when eating it. What a waste! Watermelon rind is cooling and packed with nutrients. With just one simple step, you can turn it into a treasure. Let's find out how. Watermelon rinds are often exposed to soil and chemicals during the growing process. So, it's important to wash them thoroughly and peel off the green outer skin before using. I've washed and drained these pieces of rind. Now, let's peel off the green skin. Watermelon rind is high in fiber, which helps support digestion and reduce the risk of constipation, thus preventing certain intestinal issues. It's also rich in vitamin C, so it has antioxidant properties, boosts the immune system, and supports collagen production for healthy skin. Watermelon rind is a great source of potassium, magnesium, and iron, which help maintain heart health and support metabolism. Thanks to antioxidant compounds like lycopene, flavonoids, and cucurbitacin, watermelon rind has anti-inflammatory properties and protects the body from harmful free radicals. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. With all these nutrients, watermelon rind offers many health benefits. First benefit, use watermelon rind as a facial mask. Cut the watermelon rind into thin slices. The thinner, the better. The white flesh is rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as zinc, potassium, magnesium, and a high water content. These components help moisturize the skin, reduce irritation, and leave the skin glowing. Place the thin slices on your face for about 30 minutes, then rinse off. After doing this regularly for some time, you'll have bright, healthy skin. Especially when your skin is dry or itchy due to sunburn, applying watermelon rind is very effective. Second benefit, make tasty pickles from watermelon rind. Take 200 grams of watermelon rind with the green skin removed, then slice it thinly and set aside. Prepare 5 to 7 cloves of garlic and slice them. Next, take 2 chili peppers and chop them. Pour 60 milliliters of water into a large cup. Then add 60 milliliters of vinegar. Next, add 60 milliliters of fish sauce. Finally, add 40 grams of sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Take a clean, dry glass jar. Place a layer of watermelon rind inside, followed by some garlic and chili. Add another layer of rind, then more garlic and chili. Repeat until all ingredients are used. Where are you from? Leave a comment and let me know. It's such a joy to meet friends from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, feel free to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Next, pour in the mixed liquid. Looks delicious! Have you ever eaten watermelon rind? Seal the jar and store it in the fridge. It will be ready to eat in about a day. Pickled watermelon rind is crispy, with the perfect balance of sour, spicy, salty, and sweet. You can enjoy it with boiled vegetables, meat, or fried dishes, just like other pickled foods. Benefit 3. Relieve mosquito bites. Mosquito bites can be very irritating. They cause itching and swelling. Children's delicate skin is especially prone to mosquito bites. Parents often use products to clean the bites, but worry about chemicals causing irritation or being harmful to their child's skin. In this case, rub watermelon rind directly on the bite. It helps reduce redness, swelling, and itching. This method is very effective, so next time you get a mosquito bite, try using watermelon rind. Benefit: make cooling watermelon rind tea. Cut the rind into small pieces. Next, place the rind pieces in a pot. Add just enough water. Cover the pot and boil over high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Time's up! Now strain out the liquid. This is watermelon rind tea. Let it cool before adding honey or lemon to taste. Adding honey or lemon to hot water can destroy their nutrients. Watermelon rind tea is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. It helps boost immunity, supports digestion, and detoxifies the body. This drink is not only tasty but also nourishing, perfect for hydration and wellness. Give it a try. Watermelon rind is truly useful and great for your health. Have you ever reused it before? If you have other creative ways to recycle it, please share in the comments so we can all learn together. Thank you so much. That's the end of the video. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment below. If you found this video interesting, give it a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.